Sometimes, when you take a photo, you could guess if it's properly shot. We created this proprietary algorithm for who wants to improve their images and learn how they work. For example, if we analyze this image, clicking on the Analyze button, our algorithm will analyze the image and tell you what is going on. You can go down here and activate Show Tonal Zones, and here you can see which areas are clipped, which are shadows, which are midtones, and which are highlights. This is very useful to help you learn more about your images and how they work. After analyzing the image, we see that the subject separation has a score of 84. You can check some more details about this result. Nothing important to do here, otherwise we would see the buttons highlighted with a blue color, as is the Expand Tonal Range button, because we have a score of only 8 in mid-tones density, and this means that the shadows in the image are at risk. We can expand the tonal range now. This way, we fix the shadows issue. Real photographers will notice this subtle but important change. Now, in order to fix further the mid-tones density tonal structure, we can click the Expand Tonal Structure button, which is already highlighted. The tool is suggesting that we can use it. Once expanded, we have a score of 11, and the shadows and highlights are safe. You can check the tonal zones, and you can see how nice and tidy they are now. Now the image is balanced, but maybe a bit open in terms of tones. If you want, you can lower the opacity to a 45%, so you get the result you want. It's really up to you and your feelings. This is one of the many uses of the new Tonal Pro analysis tool in Muse Pro 3 plugin for Photoshop. I'll leave the link in the description so you can try it by yourself.